If you own a Fitbit fitness tracker, have you ever been burned on the wrist from it? Here's a report I found on the Consumer Product Safety Commission's website of a 61-year-old woman who says she was burned on her wrist by her Fitbit Inspire 3 in March of this year. She contacted Fitbit Google, who told her to take pictures of her injuries and send everything back, and said they would refund her money. But she said she did not get a refund from Fitbit after multiple back and forth emails, and she says she is scarred. Here's the Fitbit reply, and they wrote a really long reply. Hey, thank you for the opportunity to review your report. And they said, we have reviewed the Fitbit customer support case associated with this claim and inspected the return device, and based on the information provided, they believe the device is functioning normal, and that the symptom referred by the customer, the burn on the wrist, is more consistent with skin irritation. Here's what it looks like. You tell me if this looks like skin irritation to you. Fitbit is saying that it was likely due to foreign irritants being trapped between the band and the customer's wrist, and mention maybe clean the Fitbit better. I'm just curious, has anybody with a Fitbit ever been burned on the wrist? Let me know.